Here's the really cool part. This guy, man, this guy sucks. Oh. Alright guys, well, I still don't have my Speed Twin back. Corbin's still working on it. I did confirm, however, that next Wednesday they'll be done and I can go up there. I already have a plane ticket. I can go up there and tell them what I want on my seat and they'll make me a seat. So it'll probably be a whole day thing. I'll make a video about it. And after that, I'll have the bike back, so I'll be doing a lot more Speed Twin videos. But until then, I thought I'd just throw together a video of the first time I rode a Triumph. I rented a T100 from Eagle Rider, and that's actually what got me hooked on Triumph. I didn't really care about them prior to that, and that one ride through Malibu really got me into these. So I hope you liked the video. Please excuse I was not good on the microphone. I was really new to vlogging and things like that, so keep that in mind. But I hope you like what you see, and I'll see you after. Testing 1, 2, 3. We're in Malibu. Beautiful day, 70 degrees in January. Can't complain about that. I'm heading to Decker Road because that is awesome. On a 2018 or 19 Triumph Bonneville T100. So far it's very fun and very easy to ride. It's just a relaxing bike. On my other bike, the Ducati, it's kind of violent. This is not, but you can still go fast if you'd like. But I choose the cruise. This feels great. Guy's in a rush. Whee! Man, it is extremely gusty today, but the air is warm, so that's good. It's not cold at all. This bike feels kind of tiny when you're on it compared to my Diablo, but it just makes it that much more fun. It's very easy to handle. You can flick this thing around like nothing. And I was unsure about this inline twin, parallel twin. I like the sound and I love the power band. It's just always there. I'm impressed. What? It's a rental, so I'm assuming it's brand new. That's what it looks like. Yeah. I have a 110. What looks different about it? Bigger tank. Okay, so this guy in his Lamborghini is a fucking tool. He keeps revving it. He's flaunting the fact that he has a $500,000 car. I think it's a $500,000. Either way, it's a fucking tool. How long does it take to put your sunglasses on? Just showing off. That's a Montana plate. Let's see this scumbag. And this kid's filming it. It's not that big a deal. Fuck. Jesus. Bunch of dicks. Fucking tool. Fucking tool. Jesus Christ. How long do you have to have that thing warm up? What an asshole. That's unbelievable to me. Alright. Let's head to Canaan. Fuck that guy. Oh, he revved it. I do wish this had 6 gears. It feels like it needs a 6th gear. Pretty. Decker Canyon. This is a fun, tight road.
See if there's any burnt forest here. Looks like that burned. God, this bike is very easy to drive, or very easy to ride. Holy shit, whoops. This thing doesn't want to like lift the wheel. I bet a T120 would lift the wheel. God, this bike is so easy to deal with. I love it. I don't travel this road very much, so I'm not really great at being smooth through here. Oh, man, a fucking work truck up there. This is so stupid. Thanks, buddy. I gotta get around these dillweeds. Like, where are these fucks coming from? Unacceptable. This road's too cool to be behind these dicks. Oh, they better pull over. These fucking scumbags. Oh, this isn't fun. This is not fun. I need like 10 feet of a straightaway. I should be in third gear around this shit, not second. Oh, god damn it. Fucking penis. And this is like not as good of a section now. Be prepared to stop. Stupid. Yay! Thanks, pal. This bike really handles well. Oh, another stop, fucking guy. Yay! What a weird time and day, I guess, weekend, to work on this shit. This bike's turning me on to Triumph, I have to say. I didn't give Triumph a second thought my entire life. But now, I am. I love how this can just log down. It's so easy. I love it. Burn, burn, everywhere, burn. I'm not gonna rag on him. What the fuck, though? Come on, bro. This road is cool. Okay. Headed to the snake. Going down the snake is a little tougher, in my opinion. See how many people are on the lookout area. More than earlier today. This is that corner that everyone wipes on. Let's try not to wipe. I don't need to go fast on this. But going up is a lot easier in my opinion. Going down, it's like constant engine braking. The momentum just carries into these corners when you're going down. It's a beautiful road though. Snow caps way off in the distance. Winter time in Los Angeles. Oh, was that a VMAX? I couldn't tell. Someone texted me. I heard the... Dude, I would not carry a passenger up through here on a fucking Super Sport. I'm glad there's no one in front of me this time. It's kind of nice. So much. My favorite spot on this road. Third and second gear in this fucking bike through these tight ass corners is pretty fucking simple. Pretty nice. I'll stop at the rock store today. I haven't stopped there in ages, so just rest for a few minutes. Check this out. This is fucked. Mulholland Highway, right down from the rock store. This road is ruined. Wonder how long it'll be before they can fix it.
Well, thanks for watching, guys. Like I said before, I will have the Speed Twin back next week, so I'll make some better videos. Hope this holds you over for the week. And if you like what you see, please like and subscribe. Hit the bell notification if you feel like it. And I will see you guys next time. Thanks.